So, hey guys, this is Pepe 15054. So, I just wanted to say that. Wait, okay. I just wanted to say that. Uh, I was gonna say that. What anyway? Oh, never mind. So I was just gonna say that. What was I gonna say? Wait. Oh yeah, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm gonna give a free rare bow and arrow, pink purse, and a non-rare warrant. And maybe this by college, but it's not that much of a deal because it's non-rare. So yeah, maybe I'm giving those away. So on the comment below, please just put your like please just put your username if you're a member or non-member, and I mean if you're a member, yeah, non-member, and what you want it, please. Thank you.